let me explain what's involved. I have a vise, a very massive structure, and I'm going to hold up these equal-sized panels inside of the vise. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to put one of these accelerometers on here. This is an ADXL 335 3-axis accelerometer. You can get these from, say, DigiKey or eBay or any kind of electronic supplier for about $15 to $20. And effectively what they do is they produce an X, Y, Z accelerometer output in an analog voltage when you supply them with 3 volts. And we're going to be just using the Y-axis here because we're just going to look at acceleration in the plane of the vibration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this board in to the vise. And then what I've got located behind here is a little fishing weight on a fishing line. I'm going to bring it back a controlled distance and let it impact the surface. And then what we'll see is we'll see the output from the accelerometer here, and we're going to see a few features that I'm going to describe to you. So a little bit of double sticky tape to hold this in position. I'm going to step in front of the camera for just 1 sec and apply the tape. Then I'm going to adhere the accelerometer, make sure this is centered. And then what we're going to do is we're going to produce an impact, and you're going to see what happens when I produce a controlled impact. Now, this here, the intensity or the amplitude, represents the amount of acceleration. It doesn't actually represent how much the panel is moving, it's how vigorously it's accelerating back and forth. These spikes, or these peaks, they represent the frequency at which the vibrations are occurring, which is continuous. And the other property that you'll see is what's called damping, the loss of the energy